Okay, people, I challenge people on YouTube to subscribe to my friend Carrie Law's YouTube channel. Just type in OOOLALAW and her channel will come up. I promise you. And subscribe to her YouTube channel, or I will put a link to her YouTube channel on the top of the screen. And also, I will put a link to my YouTube channel, which you can subscribe to my YouTube channel also. I'm looking for at least maybe 10 subscribers or more. Maybe 11 subscribers for her and 10 subscribers for her. If we can both get 102 subscribers for both our channels, then that would be great. She right now has 7 subscribers. Can you make that jump up to 102 by the end of this week? Also, I have 8 subscribers. If I could somehow get rid of this other channel that my sister had, 28 Sarah McCluskey, and
Positive Encouraging K-Love. It's building 420.
Now she has a new YouTube channel,
is attending some meetings today,
which she's under Sarah McCluskey now.
And speaking of news, Jen, that today is not only Make a Difference Monday, which of course every Monday is here, it's also Melanoma Monday. Oh wow, I did not realize.
Just want to let you know, people.
The first Monday in May is known as Melanoma Monday, and then the entire month of May is actually Melanoma Awareness Month. And the American Academy of Dermatology is trying to raise awareness, of course, of
jump our channels up to
we need to do a few things to make sure we keep ourselves
102 channel subscribers, and also if you could help out my sister's channel, subscribe to my sister's channel, make her channel subscriber list jump up to 102 by the end of this week. That would be great. I will put a link to all of our YouTube channels on the video screen.
Check yourself frequently. Go to the doctor frequently.
Thank you for watching.
As well, and of course.